model, 64-plate Ford Transit Connect 240 spares OR repairs head gasket. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 153,425. Engine, 1,560 cc 1.6 TDCI 115 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Coolant is pressuring, head gasket will need replacing, very easy repair. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is clean for its age. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail,